friends. Welcome to Kiddo Color Club. Today I will teach you yoga. It looks very beautiful, friends. How to do yoga? Can you try it?
Wow!
Look at how cute the kid is doing yoga by himself.
Come, let's do yoga with them too.
Yoga means harmony of body, mind, and heart. Have you ever tried a yoga pose? Let's do it together. This is called the tree pose. Let's balance like trees.